In today's video, I am going to show you how to find the winning ads for your products, and I am going to spy the competitors, find out what are their top winning ads, and with the one click I am going to clone them for my own product. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. For this video, I am using this app, that is the Skaler app, and you can get right now it on the lifetime deal on the app. So starting from the just $69. So this price is only locked for the AI week, and if you don't know, right now AppSumo is going on with the AI week sale, in which they are offering some of the top-notch AI tools with the lifetime pricing. So if you want to check it out, this sale, the link is given in the description, and from on this sale I am able to get my hands on the Skaler. This is the platform you can use to create or simply spy the ads from your competitors. You can find out what are the top winning ads of them, and then with a single click you can clone for your as well. So right now this is I have just searched the shoes on its discovery section, that you can go on the ads info, and here you will find out the discovery section and simply search your own product. It will show you what are the top winning ads right now on the social media going on. And let me tell you that you can also connect your ads account from the Meta as well. So I got to see there are some of the really good ads for the shoes that I can just click and clone with the single click. So let me see if any of I like this one here. So if I have these shoes with the different colors, I can clone this ad here. And like if you want to create some of the cinematic ad, I think this one looks really good clean here. So with a single click I am going to clone it for my own ad here. So right now you can see it is analyzing the ad, and after that you can see it is asking me to select the product. If I have the product listed here, I can select. If I haven't, I will click here and just simply add the link of that product here. So I am adding the Nike, and it is going to extract the information, the link you have pasted here. Okay, so for the demo I have just used this domain URL here, but you can use your own product link here. Okay, so right now it is going to just analyze the URL that you have pasted, then it is going to extract the data, extract the images, and based on that it is going to clone the ad on that product here. So it's got the details here. Okay, this is everything here. You can see it is automatically getting the name, it is automatically get the brand colors here, descriptions here, logos, everything. This is the copy, additional information, and this is the assets. Okay, so simply click here, and now it is going to generate the or clone this ad for you. So simply click here on the generate text. First it will generate the text for this ad. Okay, it is generated. Now confirm text, and now in the next step it is asking me add the images of this shoe, so you can add manually. Okay, so I'm going to generate the images here because I don't want to add the image manually here, but if you have your own product, I suggest, and I think you should definitely add it, because that way you are going to get the relevant image generated for you. Okay, so I am generating the images, and you can see this is the reference image from the ad. It is automatically selected, and within the few seconds I am going to got the images of this ad. So while this is generating, let me talk about what are the other features you can test out on this platform. So if I go to the home section, I have the ad cloning that I am recently showing you. I can just turn my static images into the videos. I can get the analytics detail information on the ads. I can just spy the brands. I can just find out similar brands to me, and there are also the more than 1000 plus templates available that with a single click you can convert it for your own product here. Okay, see, thousands of the templates available for the highly converting and the winning ads here. So let's see my ad creative is generated or not. Yeah, still going on. So from here I can just click on the clone, and this ad creative will turn to relevant to my product here. And the thing is same here. First click here on the clone. After that it will ask you to generate the word for the word, or you can just simply click here on the creative rebuild. So before that, if you have to select the product for which you are going to select, I'm going to go this one. Click here on the generative text, but it will generate the text. Okay, it is generated. You can see for this text it is generated this text. For this one, this thing, this one, this thing. Okay, I like this one, confirm text, and now it is going to generate the your ad image here. Okay, if you have the image, I suggest upload it here. If you don't have, simply click here on the generate Okay, and now it is going to start generating the ad creative. Okay, and now you can see my Nike shoes images are generated. Let me open up and you can see it's pretty much amazing here. Okay, so that's how within the few minutes and the few clicks you just got the winning ads cloned for your own product. And this makes really easy with the Skaler app here. In the videos you can turn those images into the videos. You can also clone the videos for you as well. So I'm going to clone the video here. So simply click here on the video clone, and now after that it will ask you to add the reference here. So finding the reference, I will go to the ad inspo, and here I am going to search for the few ads. Okay, so basically I am going to go for the default and I will try to find a video which I can clone here. So till the end I have just cloned the shoes ad with the Nike brand and the colors, and there's also it has also able to generate the text along with the images. So let's see if I able to get any videos or not. Let's see. Okay, I think this video looks fine, so let me check it out. Yeah, this one looks fine here. So I will click here on the clone, and now I am start cloning this video ad here. It is analyzing the ad, you can see. So first it is going to generate the text, and after that it is going to generate this creative rebuild here. You can see this is the transcription. So first let's generate the text, and within a few seconds it is going to generate the text for me. Yeah, you can see I got it here. Now I am going to generate the images here or the video. Okay, so okay, it is asking me to image dimension is not correct for it. Okay, so here I have to go to the vertical style. I want the around the 12 seconds of the video, and let's click here on the generate video. So video generation is started here, and I think it will take some time. I think around the 1 to 2 minutes, because when I click on the generating the images for the ad creative, it took around the 30 seconds. So for the video you can assume it can take more than that here. Okay, so I'm going to wait till the end. This video is generated. Finally video is generated, and let's check out how this is good or not. So this is the video it has generated here, and I think it is the product selected based on that. So let me see which product I have selected here to generating the ad. Okay, let's see. So the product I have selected here, visibility. Okay, I have selected my Google Maps servicing product here. So that's why it is generated the ad the relevant to the product here, but that is not the fully cloned to the this ad here. Relevancy is good here, but the cloning and the is not that much of good. Okay, so make sure you select the product to relevant to the ad you are start cloning out. Okay, then we can also clone the hooks here. Okay, so I can select the product here, and after that we can go to the ad contacts, choose video or paste ad body tags, and based on that it is going to generate the hooks for you. So not only you can generate the images, you can generate the videos, and you can generate the hooks as well. And this is all the popular tools on the dashboard you can use, from spying the ads to generating or cloning the ads for you. So that's the thing I want to talk about in this video. And there's also a creation section available if you want to just edit the ad that you have cloned. Okay, so that is really good. Then we have also the UGC images, aspect ratio, product source, style variations, and the concept. So basically in the creation you are going to control take over while editing the ad. You can just do the changes as well. Okay, so this thing also good here. And if you want to manage your products, you can just go to the manage asset, and here all of your products is going to start appearing up in the analytics. You are going to see your ad performance here, because you have connected your ad account. You can see this is the ad account metric it is showing me. So if you want to know how to connect your ad account, simply go to this account section, go to the settings, and here you will find out the option. Okay, this is the profile section, so we have to go to the manage. I think let me go to the manage here, and it's still not showing up. So I think I need to go to this thing, dashboard, similar brands, analytics. Yeah, you can see here my account showing up. So if you want to connect your ad account, you have to simply click here on the add account, Okay, and after that you will get the options to connect the your Meta ad account here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this detailed overview of the Scalar, where I have talked about how you can spy your competitors, find out the winning ads, and you can clone it for yourself. So right now this popular tool is available on the App Sumo lifetime deal. If you want to check it out, this deal link is the given description. And what I suggest, also check out the other AI tools right now available on this sale for this AI week. I have also given the detailed deals page link in the description. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.